Alright, what's in the box? Let's go check it out. This is what in the box. So I got this box on Amazon. This is where I'm gonna put some modular box storage toolbox. Let's see. Keter brand. Now this one I'm gonna place my Esk8 parts, tools, spares, hardwares, wheels, ESC, electronic chargers. Yeah. Pull those tab, locks it in. This up. Here you go. It's a modular stack. Okay. Alright, pretty cool. And this is this one press up. Oh, like telescopic handle. Okay. Got 7-inch wheel. Alright, I got good reviews on Amazon, so this is where I'm gonna put all my Esk8 parts. Alright, Keter Stack-n-Roll storage toolbox. Modular one. So I got all my Esk8 parts in here. So these are what's in the bottom part. Got my Lin Power wheels right here, 200 mil. Spare tubes. This one from the purple hubs spare. Another spare tubes, and I got my 125 matte Esk8 wheels. 4 of them. I used them for my Nomad N1. All right. So that's it. Mostly wheels on that one. Spare tubes, bunch of spare tubes, 200 mm, and the 150 mil. All right. Next box. This one's cool. Let's see. All right. This one is pretty much small parts, hardwares. I got my spare adapter for my Nomad N1, 150 ml. Grease for the gear drives, spacers, bearings. Yeah, a bunch of bearings right there. This for my other board for Nomad. Okay, I got my bushings right here. All right. Yeah, from Riptide. Yeah. And I got spares, charging port, and some Lin Power and Nomad in here. Cool, some spares. These are extra bearings actually. More right here, hardwares. Mount. These are old mounts from my shred lights. Yeah, mount right here. Don't use them no more. Okay. XT60. This one I used to do my backfire Zealot S, running them on dual batteries. Okay, more hardware. This is the fun part. Never get to open this one. I got a lot of spares though. So here, bearings, hardware. Let me see it. More hardware. A bunch of hardware stuff. All right. Cool. All right. Close this in. So you close it. Okay. Let me jam on it. Here we go. We got close it. Close it. It just locks in. Yeah, just here. That's how you do it. Yeah, here you go, buddy. Okay. This one is, okay, this is the fun part right here. So that's the bottom part, this is the top part, and this is the middle one. So another Keter box right here. Okay, old ESC earlier when I did the replacement for my Evo MK1 board, and right there. Spare chargers. These are chargers I never get to use because they're like, you know, Euro connectors. Yeah. Okay, this one spare. Yeah, for the channel trucks. You know where it came from? Lean power, baby, lean power. Like that. Zip ties. What's happening here? Got tools. Got another box with tools right here. Okay. This is parts from the old ESC too. Just put it right there. Oh, I got spare hubs right here. Another spare hubs. Yeah. Of course, this. Never run out of those. Okay. These are like glue, adhesive glues. Yeah. Loctite. And these are the wheels for my Nomad N1. Yeah, these are like the older ones. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Getting back on. Alright guys, let's close this in. This one's already been closed. After this one right here. Middle storage. Easy lock. Press easy lock. Alright. Let's go here. Alright. So it sits in, right? Then push this one, and it locks in. Okay, last part. Okay. See, they got these grooves right here that really get to line them up. Okay, they're all lined up. Yeah. And just push this in, it locks in. See, you cannot even pull it. Goes, the whole thing goes with it. Now just pull this tab up, then you can lift them up. Yeah. All right. So that's the Keter Stack-n-Roll storage box for your tools, whatever you want to put in it. And if you live in a small apartment, it's apartment friendly, so it's not pretty big. Looks good though, looks good. Alright guys, hope you like this video. Yeah, catch you guys later.